Hey guys, summer quickly approaching. I want to give you a quick rundown again of what goes into our Sun Defender sunblock. It's full of lots of really nice natural ingredients that will not harm your skin or your children's. First is basically what I would consider the base of our sunblock, and that is beeswax and coconut oil. So coconut oil provides moisturization and it has a little bit of its own natural sunblock. And then beeswax will help lock in that moisture. So then we have avocado oil, which will also add moisture to the sunblock, and it has its own natural sunblock in it. We have vitamin E, carrot seed oil. Most importantly, we have zinc oxide, which is what is going to provide us with the sun blockage. So then last but not least, we have our secret scent, but it is absolutely amazing. It smells like the beach. So there you have it. We just have 7 simple ingredients, all natural, and so be sure to pick it up. Summer is quickly approaching. It's getting really hot out there. I don't want you to get burned. Thank you.